Morning. 9:08 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm T-Speaker222 with Dogecoin and you. As you can see, Ethereum's up almost $50 right now to 3,492. Again, Ethereum's trying to break out here, and if it pushes up, this is going to be huge for Matic. And we've got to break 3,529, that recent high. And if we can, we're going to be looking at a cup and handle up here around 3,852 with a target of around 3,928 if we break that. It's a big moment for Ethereum. In the 4-hourly, we're looking good. We're bouncing on the 20-day and the daily time frame. Again, we're looking pretty good. Looks like we could have some kind of bull flag, a small one, if we can break out of this area. So we're watching Ethereum very closely this morning. Litecoin, bouncing on the 20-day. We had a 20 cross in the 50, which is very bullish in the daily. We're holding it. Normally, you'll come test this support after you have a 20 cross in the 50, and then it's game on. So that's a great sign. Inside that channel very nicely as well. So on the daily time frame, everything's looking pretty good. With Matic, look how close we are for the 20 cross and the 50 now, guys. And we're on a straight up projectile. So this is good news. We fell back down, hit the 20-day, came back up, had a nice candle, had a hold candle. And now we actually are looking pretty good. We're on the top of the trend lines. And as long as we can get a little bit of volume push here today, we're at the end of this weekly candle. I mean, this could be an explosive move today. We're looking to make sure this weekly closes above 167.6. We don't want to close below that. And we want to have an explosive move sometime today. It'd be very nice to have an explosive move here. The door's open right now. And it would actually make a lot of sense to have some kind of explosive move on Sunday. If not, you know, you still got to pay attention to the pattern. I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still in my position. Not going nowhere. And I'm watching the market right now. Unless it gives me an indicator to sell, I'm not going to sell. I think it's been one big kind of fake out. But we've talked about that many times. Doge, we're trying to get back over the 20 in the weekly. We had a bearish cross in the weekly, the 20 cross in the 50 a couple days ago. But we've been well aware of that. And that's why we had a little bit of volatility in price action. We've held the 20-day and we're about to have a 20 crossing the 50 on the EMAs for Doge. And that's an extremely bullish cross. So that's what we're watching for right now. And then Shiba, we're the same thing. 20's about to cross the 50 in the daily. And it's a really interesting setup here. So, because the 200 days way down in the daily time frame. So, but like I said, we're about to cross the 50. And this could be a very nice bullish push here. Everything's set up nicely if it can just cross the 50. And then ADA. It's the same story as everyone we're covering. That's why I like to cover them in symmetry, because Ethereum leads the way. You can see now the 20s crossed the 50 on ADA. On most of them except for Matic, the 20s crossed the 50. The only difference with Matic is that, and for ADA, we'll finish this real quick. $1.09 is the support. We've got $1.26 overhead, but this is looking very nice right now. Could we touch the 20-day again? Absolutely, but this is looking very good. And then, like I was saying for Matic, the one big difference here is the hundreds over the 200, which means a trend reversal. That's why I'm so excited about Matic. So until this breaks down, this is signaling a trend reversal. Make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new or returning. Turn that bell notification to all. And if you need a little more help, join our community. The Dogecoin and You Army, we have 41 people. And we are all on the same page. And you get the current trade setups. They're here for everybody to see. And we're one big, tight-knit family. Stay blessed, everybody.